Yeah, man. So, what's up, y'all? So, I have made it to my destination. As y'all can probably tell, I actually have made it to Mars, and so right now I'm actually getting my wheels changed. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely, I'm about to ready to show y'all. There y'all are, man. Getting the wheels changed on my Fiero. I love it. Oh man, y'all gotta like that right there, man. So as we looking at this wheel, y'all, this right here is what the inside of a Pontiac Fiero wheel basically look like. So yeah, man, most definitely gotta have it, man. Getting ready for tomorrow, y'all. Texas Wheel Fest is going down tomorrow. Telling y'all, man. Finally got the wheels on. It's about to go down, y'all. I'm not playing with y'all, man. It's about to go down tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? Got that dual exhaust on that thing. Look at that dual exhaust on that thing. Ooh, dual exhaust. And y'all already know who it is. Yeah, my boy _86. Yeah, man. These rims, y'all. These rims, man. I know y'all ready to see these, man. These rims, I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all, man. Hey, this right here was perfect. You know what I'm saying? And so, definitely, man. I'm just waiting for Wheelfest, like I said earlier. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Fiero Boy 86. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, drop some big fat likes on this video to your boy Fiero Boy 86. Because you already know it's going down, man. I'm there. Like I always say, the only black guy with a Fiero. So y'all already know, man, it's going down. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. So I will be getting back with y'all when they get done with the rims. I will show y'all these. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Where's your boy Fiero Boy 86? Yeah, y'all. So I'm up at AUTOMOTIVE right now. I'm looking at some rims. Like those, man. Those right there are clean. I like those. Those right there are nice. You know. And I like these right here. See, those right there are pretty good. I like those right there. You know. So this right here is a brand new shop, y'all. I like that. Ooh, look at these right here. Gray's World 903. Look at this, man. Look at this. Ooh, that's that rose gold. Woo, that mother clean. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm going to end up being like my boy Zay TRD. Ooh wee. Hey, there y'all go right there. And so then you also got these right here, which are like pretty dope. I do like all gold rims, y'all. I think that right there is amazing. Ooh, look at that right there is dope. I like that right there a lot, y'all. Look at that, man. Right there is amazing. All white rim right there. Clean. I like that. Ooh-wee. I like that right there a lot. That right there is dope, man. I do like that right there a lot. Most definitely, y'all. So, I want y'all to let me know what y'all think about these big boys right here. That's them big boys right there, man. You know what I'm saying? I like those right there a lot. So yeah, this right is my first time ever being in AUTOMOTIVE, y'all, and it is a pleasure to be off in here after getting my rims changed. I do like those too. Those right there are clean. I do like those right there a lot, you know. Look at that, man. Look at these. Hey, you gotta have these, man. If I still have my Chevrolet Corvair, y'all, I will come down here and get some of these. I like these right here a lot. Most definitely. I do like those right there a lot. I do like those, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That right there is clean. Ooh, look at this. See, I like that chrome one too. That chrome one is clean. I like that chrome one. go ahead and put that up on the truck. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put that up on the truck, man. I wish I still had my truck, y'all, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely, man. Ooh, look at this. This right here is clean. I do like that right there a lot, y'all. And look at this. This right here is clean too. I like that right there too. That right there is dope. Most definitely. Look at this. This right here is clean too, y'all. That right there is dope. I like that. Most definitely, man. Well, I do like the new shop, Omar. I do like the new shop. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing, man. So y'all check this out. Ooh wee. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. That is clean, y'all. Most definitely. See, I like these, man. I like these, man. These right here are clean, y'all. Hey, if I was to ride these, this right here would I be riding on, y'all. Most definitely. I do like these right here a lot. Most definitely. I like these, man. And so see, y'all, so got these right here. Got these right here, which is dope. I like those a lot. Those right there are clean. Most definitely. Look at that. Look at that, man. That red is clean. I like that red rim. That red rim clean. Nothing on black rims. It's clean, man. Like that right there. Now see now that right there is clean too. Yeah, I like that right there. So then you got some other clean with, hey, Texas, baby. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Yeah, man. This is my first time ever being here, y'all, and I am amazed at the rims that they got. You know what I'm saying? I am amazed at the rims that they got. Ooh, these right here are clean. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Look at that. Old school truck rims. Look at that. That right there is clean, man. I like that right there a lot. Most definitely. Yeah, y'all. So that right there was my first time ever in Omar shopping, man. That shop is off the chain, bro. They got some bad wheels up in there, man. Most definitely. You know what I'm saying? Hey, for the 86 GT I'm getting, y'all. Hey, he gonna probably be number one on the list, man, looking for rims, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely, you know, so I'm about to be ready to show y'all my rims, you know, because I know y'all been waiting to see that, and so I'm about to get ready to show y'all that right now. I want y'all to let me know what y'all think about that down in the comment section, you know, so here they are. So are y'all ready for this, man? Because Texas Whitfish, I'm pulling up, you know what I'm saying? I'm pulling up, y'all. Ooh, look at those, 88. Those right there, 88 mag wheels. Look at that, with that clean center cap. Look at that center cap, man. Most definitely, hey, I had to do it, y'all. I had to do it, you know what I'm saying? Because I know otherwise, if I did not do it, I would have actually regretted this, y'all. So most definitely, man. Look at that. Look how much more cleaner she look now, man. Look how much more cleaner she look with the black rims on there now. Man, she is clean. Hey, once again, ZTRD. Ooh wee! Yes, sir. Most definitely, man. I had to do it, man. Got the black rims on that thing now. Yes, sir. I want y'all to let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about it. Cause y'all already know what's going down tomorrow. Most definitely, man. Y'all already know. I'm pulling up. You know what I'm saying? Once again, Fierro Boy 86. You know, only black guy with a Fierro, man. Y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Of course, once again. There y'all go right there. Most definitely, man. See, yeah, man, I had to do this, man. So now it's done, y'all. I love it. Love it. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely it. Because I've been wanting to do this for a long time, y'all, and I'm finally doing it. So this right here is actually my first mod on my car, y'all. Can y'all believe it? This right is my first mod on my car. So my second mod is actually coming. And y'all will, and and if y'all do not follow me on Instagram, y'all will see what my second mod would end up being. You know what I'm saying? Which will end up being dope, man. Most definitely. Well, I want y'all to let me know what y'all think about her on these brand new black shoes. I want y'all to let me know on what y'all think about her, because she was ready for these. You know what I'm saying? She looks so much better with these on. So most definitely, man. I know right now, I know like the glare, you can barely see me, but we gonna get all that straight up, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely, man. Well, it's your boy, Forever Boy 86. Like I said, tomorrow I will be at Texas Whip Fest. Most definitely. I'm pulling up, like always, you know what I'm saying? I don't care what's going on, I'm pulling up. Y'all gonna see me, you know what I'm saying? Most definitely. Well, it's your boy, Forever Boy 86. Y'all know how we do it. Wait a minute, is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's my Pontiac Fiero, and I'm gone.